The digital age is a whirlwind of information, constantly bombarding us from every direction. Every brand vies for attention, each one trying to outshine the other. In this crowded landscape, words are your most potent weapon, your secret tool to stand out. Compelling copywriting cuts through the noise, grabbing attention and holding it. It captivates, persuades, and converts, turning casual browsers into loyal customers. It's the difference between fading into obscurity and shining brightly in the digital sphere, making your mark. Think of copywriting as the bridge between your brand and your audience, connecting hearts and minds. It's the art of translating your message into words that resonate, inspire, and drive action, creating a lasting impact. Whether it's a website, a social media post, or an email campaign, the right words can make all the difference, transforming your communication. In essence, mastering copywriting is no longer optional. It's essential for success in the digital age, a skill that can elevate your brand to new heights. Before crafting a single sentence, you must know who you're talking to. Step into their shoes. Understand their needs, desires, and pain points. What keeps them up at night? What are their aspirations? This deep understanding forms the bedrock of your copywriting. Speak their language, address their concerns, and offer solutions that resonate with their lives. Generic, one-size-fits-all messaging simply won't cut it. People crave authenticity and connection. When your copy reflects a genuine understanding of your audience, you build trust and credibility. This paves the way for lasting engagement and, ultimately, conversions. The world of copywriting is ever evolving. Staying ahead of the curve means embracing new trends and adapting your strategies. In 2024, we see a surge towards concise, impactful messaging. Think short, snappy sentences and easily digestible content. People are time-poor and attention spans are dwindling. Another prominent trend is the rise of conversational copy. Write like you speak. Use humor, empathy, and a touch of personality. People connect with brands that feel human and relatable. Moreover, inclusivity and representation are paramount. Your copy should reflect the diversity of your audience, making everyone feel seen and valued. You have a fraction of a second to capture someone's attention online. Your headline is your first, and sometimes only, impression. Make it count. Craft headlines that are clear, concise, and benefit-driven. Highlight the value proposition up front. Use strong verbs, numbers, and questions to pique curiosity. For example, instead of new product launch, try unlock productivity. Introducing our revolutionary time-saving app. Remember, your headline is a promise. It should accurately reflect the content that follows and entice readers to learn more. A compelling headline is the gateway to engaging content. Section 5. Crafting calls to action that convert. Turning readers into customers. You've captivated your audience with stellar copy. Now, it's time to guide them towards action. Your call to action, or CTA, is the final push that converts readers into customers. Make it clear, concise, and impossible to ignore. Use action-oriented language that inspires immediate response. Examples include download now, claim your free trial, or shop the collection. Create a sense of urgency by highlighting limited-time offers or exclusive deals. Additionally, make sure your CTA is visually prominent. Use contrasting colors, bold fonts, and strategic placement to draw attention. Section 6. Real-world wins. When copywriting turned the tide. Countless brands have witnessed the transformative power of effective copywriting. It's not just about words, it's about crafting a message that resonates deeply with the audience. Take, for instance, the now iconic Got Milk campaign. This campaign didn't just sell milk, it sold an experience, a moment of realization. These 3 simple words, paired with memorable visuals, boosted milk sales nationwide. It became a cultural phenomenon, making milk a staple in households. The campaign resonated because it tapped into a relatable human experience, the disappointment of reaching for an empty milk carton. This emotional connection was key to its success. Another example is the Dollar Shave Club. They revolutionized the shaving industry with their unique approach. Their launch video, filled with humor and irreverence, went viral, propelling the brand to success. It wasn't just a product, it was a lifestyle choice. The copy was bold, disruptive, and perfectly aligned with their target audience. It spoke directly to the modern consumer, breaking through the noise. These examples highlight the power of copywriting to elevate brands, drive sales, and leave a lasting impact. Effective copywriting is more than just words. It's a strategic tool that can turn the tide for any business. Section 7. The Future of Persuasion, AI, and the Evolution of Copywriting. The future of copywriting is inextricably linked with technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the landscape, offering tools for content generation, optimization, and personalization. AI-powered tools can analyze data, identify trends, and even craft compelling copy. However, while AI can be a valuable asset, it's crucial to remember that human creativity remains irreplaceable. The ability to connect with emotions, craft compelling narratives, and infuse copy with personality will always set human copywriters apart. The future lies in a synergistic partnership between human ingenuity and AI's analytical prowess. Section 8. Unleash your inner wordsmith. Mastering the art of irresistible copy. Mastering copywriting is an ongoing journey, one that demands dedication and passion. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, knowing their needs, desires, and pain points, a willingness to adapt to new trends, and the ability to pivot when necessary, and a commitment to continuous improvement, always seeking to refine your skills. Embrace the power of words, for they are your most potent tool. Experiment, iterate, and never stop refining your craft. Each draft brings you closer to perfection. Remember, every piece of copy is an opportunity to make a connection, inspire action, and evoke emotion, and leave a lasting impression that resonates with your audience. The world of copywriting is yours to explore, filled with endless possibilities. Embrace the challenge, unleash your creativity, and let your imagination soar. And watch your words work wonders, transforming ideas into impactful messages. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, where trends come and go, one thing remains constant: the power of compelling copy to captivate, engage, persuade, and convert. Your words have the power to change the world.